Ka Synod College Shillong kala Rakhe ka Lyngkhuh Ndriu Phuwei Snem Bashongkun hakashi tarik naitung hakaba uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA ulalong ukongsan bat ka kong Camelia Doreen Lingwa MCS Director Arts and Culture kala wankum kesembur kongsan ka kong Gerin Lingdo Principal kala pediang buram ya baro kibala poisha kani ka lumpung lekemen jong kani ka college ki Samla pule ki nong hikai ki Samla ki bala lat na kani ka college pat ki reu shempang ki bala sha khot ngobha ki la pendap mam ya ka hall jong kani ka college ha kani ka sngi bakmen kani ka jing Rakhe ka Lyngkhuh Snem kalong shi benta ban pen iru ya ka jingya lenti jong ka college ka bala poisha ka thong jong ka jingjob lengba bun ba ki jing lengba ka jing trai chitom kinong penyat kinong hikai bat ki Samla pule haki babun kiliang kalawan ra e ki jing kerkhu ki babun bha shaki longdin ba menta bat ki badang wan ha ka jingkran ha ka ne ka sngi ukongsan ulaong ka jingya lenti Ndriu Phuwei Snem kam deishu ka kam ka badang shibet bat ulaong haba kertiang din ya ka Ndriu Phuwei Snem ngios ngo ba ngilale shibun ki a ngitip bakani ka college kadang don bun ki jing thmu ba bha haki por madang wan nalor kata ulaong ngi sngongu sngo buram ki bala penlong ya kani ka sngi ban yo ban Rakhe ya ka Lyngkhuh Ndriu Phuwei Snem ha kani ka sngi ka college ka yo ru ban pelaj pai ba arteli ki kot ki bala ai kerteng look south policy kat ba ka weipat shadow of 1975 hakajuk kapor ka college kalapan kuburam ru kinong hikai bar kinong tray non teaching staff ki bala kenjo arpusan Snem ka jing shakri hakani ka college
occasion 61 years as a journey is not a matter of jokes. Respected faculties, parents, guardian, alumni, as well as our beloved student, Madam Camelia Doreen Lingdo, the guest of honor of today grand function. Reverend Pastor also present here with us. Let me recall the journey of 61st Foundation as we need to turn back, just reflect back what thing has done. Sometimes we may feel that we have done so much, but on looking ahead, we know that still many more to accomplish. As today we celebrate the journey of 61st Foundation Day, it is an absolute duty and responsibility to honor those who are being the founders of this esteemed college, which I feel the pioneers, we should remember them because they are the one who make us today as we are. Those who are making today as we are today, our beloved pioneers, it is their sacrifices which enable us to set up this foundation. As foundation means the sacrifices. They enable to set up the foundation, and so to say the foundation doesn't mean the cement, the bricks, the concept of the building or the structure of the building, but it will mean the clearly it means the education values, the characters, the integrity, the compassion, the discipline, and the willingness to serve humanity. When we talk about foundation in Khasi means nongrim. So therefore, we need to have the foundation so as to help our day-to-day life in all aspects to see the progress of our responsibility. Today, we are also not merely celebrating another year in the life of an institution. We are celebrating 61st years of excellence, dedication, resilience, and service to society. For over 6 decades, Synod College has shaped minds, nurtured character, and produced generation of responsible citizens who have contributed immensely to Meghalaya and beyond. We are very fortunate to study in an institution with such a rich legacy. But remember, your education is not measured only by the marks you obtain or the degree you receive. We live in an extraordinary times. The world is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence, digital technology, climate change, global competition, and new economics realities are transforming every profession in such an era. Knowledge alone is no longer enough. You must develop to courage. You must develop to courage to innovate. The courage to innovate. You must learn to think critically. No monuments has been built with critic, for which I believe, as we are focusing to the right track, the true destination, we have to come across and face many trials and tribulation. Therefore, we should not losing hope, as no monuments has built with critic. You must embrace change instead of fearing it. Most importantly, you must never stop learning. The future belongs to those who know. The future belongs not to those who know everything, but to those who are willing to learn every day.
As a leader and document of congratulations to your college and especially Dr. David on this monumental achievement, and may this book truly be a blessing to both students, scholars, as well as to the citizen who wishes to know much of the history during this time. Congratulations.
One second. Damika Devi Nishal. Khubor online communication UG department. Serena Christie Sinkley from the English department.